Welcome to my channel, steveO the window cleaner. Today we're gonna check out the new Moerman Spray Ray. This is pretty new on the market. Basically what it is it pumps water above your flick pad on the Moerman accelerator to get water on the glass so you don't have to dip your sleeve back into the solution. Let's check it out. Comes with this nice case. So this is 99 bucks for this. All right, let's see here. So we got 2 bottles. This is where the solution is gonna go. We got this piece. I believe this is where this would go onto your belt. We got this little piece that I think goes on the handle that pumps the water out. And then we got the actual pump part that goes onto your pole. Comes with 30 feet. It looks like 5/16 hose, maybe a little smaller, like 1/4 inch. And then you got the directions and an included little Allen wrench there too. So it shows first to put this over that. Boom. That just clips on, just like so. Looks like that. Then, after that, it says to connect the tubing. Connect the tubing in there. And then we're gonna have this whole 30-foot hose section go into this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen these Allen bolts right there. And then we're gonna attach this to a trad pole. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit a trad pole, but we're gonna try. I'm gonna use a 0 trad 12 section to put this on. Looks like you wanna make sure to have the pump action facing up. Oh, cool. Actually slide it on quite nice. We'll put these Allen wrench bolts back in. So I've tightened those and actually holds on there pretty well. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go fill one of these with water. Okay, got this full with water. And then, so this is typically gonna go right on your belt here. For the sake of today, I'm just using my regular belt. I'm just guessing this just sits in here like this. Let's put a little dot of soap in here. I'm gonna use Crazy Larry's. I don't think we'll need too much in there at all. So there's a short section of hose and a longer section of hose. The longer section of hose is gonna go from the top to the connection here, and then the shorter section is just gonna go from the bottom to your little bottle. It's definitely a 1/4 inch hose, so it's pretty small. So not a lot of water is gonna travel through it either. Put that up to the bottle there. Okay, we got this whole contraption here. Let's see how it works. All right, so I got a fully dry 14-inch microfiber flick sleeve. So you'll see exactly how long it takes to saturate a dry flick pad. I like to have my flick pad over the top, not under the bottom. Very different, that's for sure. Okay, so taking this, you guys can't see the bottle. It's right here. Hooking that up in. Not that I'd really be doing anything else with it. I'm gonna set this to 10 degree. Set this on a swivel. Now it has this little unlock lock thing here. So I'm guessing that is if you want to, well, let's try it. So this is so that you can adjust the angle of your jets if you want to. I'm just gonna keep them how they were from when they came originally. So let's see here. So it's a little slippy. So it looks like to get the water on the window, you just gotta keep pumping back and forth. Oh, there we go. So it's just a pump motion. So it does have to be really stiff on the actual pole, because if I do this on the trad pole, this will move around. So you almost have to make a designated pole for it, but I'm sure that it will work fine with just having it be a Moerman like pole as far as that goes. So I've applied a little bit of solution on there. Hoses are kind of everywhere, just to be quite honest, kind of like what you would find with water-fed pole. But I mean, puts out a good amount of water. Potentially, what you could do as well, so these hoses are not so much in your way, is take that black strap and wrap that around the pole. Right. Doesn't feel very heavy at all. And that's the great thing about it really staying be plastic, is that it's not heavy. It doesn't add a lot of weight. This is all plastic too. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me kind of show you a better close-up of it. So one other thing I wanted to mention is that you could use this as a water-fed attachment. So you could use your Moerman gecko. And I saw this on a post from the Moerman Australia group, I think it was. They do a lot of stuff with the Ionic. So for this, you're not gonna have the pump, and you'll need a 1/4 inch to 5/16 or 3/8 reducer, depending on what type of hose size you use. But take that off of here. Put that onto the Moerman gecko. Put that there. Then you could have that 30-foot hose, and then you have your pure water going above there. So I was gonna hook this up to a tank, but I don't have a 1/4 inch to 5/16 reducer, so I can't really show you anything like that. But that could be definitely a way you would do it. So you wouldn't do it with any of the pump action on there. You would just use the gecko and the 30-foot hose. So that is the new Moerman Spray Ray. I just wanted to show you kind of how it goes together, how it fit on a zero trad pole. These are the most popular poles. Of course, it's gonna fit on the Moerman poles that it's designed for. Probably best to probably use with the Combinator or the Takumi, I think it is called. As far as that goes, the bottle holder is very, very comfortable. It's not too heavy at all. For just that little bit that I did, and I showed you everything that I did, I only used it about, I'd say 2 to 3 times, but once your sleeve is saturated, it will last you a lot longer. But took up about 1/3 of the bottle to give you an idea. I think this would be really good in storefront situations where you're just cleaning all the uppers, but you also have a lot of hoses in your way as far as that goes. But something very innovative from Moerman. Moerman's always coming out with new creative things. Some people in the industry feel like some of the stuff is cheap. There's stuff here and there with every company, I think, that comes out that's, you know, maybe some people won't like, and a lot of it's personal preference. So just wanted to give you a look into this since it's something new and something really, really pretty cool that Moerman's come out with. So if you have any questions, comment below. If you want to purchase this, I will have links in the description. If you want to buy through there, that supports my channel. It's the same as buying through me as a sales rep as well, or you can contact me at 970-214-9522. Hope you all are having a good summer. We'll talk soon. Bye.